One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. We've talked about a couple of the people on the naughty list. We need to talk about another one coming from Uber, putting you on the naughty list, bro. Uber Eats, Dara, you're getting coal for Christmas this year, and you ain't gonna be able to squish that down into a diamond. So don't even think about it. But Uber Eats be changing the total at checkout. What's going on here, Sergio?
You know my two favorite words about this, right? About the Uber One subscriber thing, Doordash's Dash Pass. Hold on, DoorDash. I'm not saying DoorDash is doing this, so don't get me wrong, DoorDash. So when I was traveling, Uber was offering me a 20% discount on all my rideshare trips. But you know my two favorite words. The letter or the first word starts with an H. Hocus pocus. You know why? You know what Uber does, right? They go, oh, the 20% discount. I'm like,
on what?
On what? They jack the price up, give you the 20%, make you feel all good so you can order an Uber because you're getting a 20% discount. Uber, not knowing that I'm a driver as well, I exactly know that's what that trip is going to cost. After, they the algo jacks the price up, gives you the discount, makes themselves look all good, but you ain't getting that 20%. It's all hocus pocus. And this guy, supposedly he's an influencer, and he has an Uber One account, and he was supposed to get this $5.56, and he blasted this on TikTok, and it got 10 million views. So ultimately, the consumer is waking up to this, Chris. We've been saying this forever, but we're a small channel, whatever. But this is what they do. They do the bait and switch. They go like, here's the 20% discount, but I jack the price up anyway before I give you the 20% discount, and you feel good about yourself using the platform. This guy says this is illegal and false advertising. FTC, are you watching? Did you watch that video? This is supposed to be an influencer. None other than influencer James Charles. Do you know who this dude is? I don't know who he is. My kids probably know it.
I don't know.
Okay, so posted Charles's secondary account. The video shows the difference between the total he has shown on the Uber Eats app and what the app tried to charge his card at checkout. Oh, so they said, hey, this is $5.56 or whatever it is, the Uber One subscription discount. But then right at the end, when you go check out and right before you click order, whoop, they put the thing back in. That's what the gist of this is. And he's irate about his $5.56, and he called it illegal and false advertising. James, this happens all the time to drivers, man. Welcome to our club. We get hocus pocus all the time. Don't worry.
Yep. Well, they're doing it on both sides of the marketplace, but either way, I think the biggest takeaway from this is because there were other people. This article was a lot more than these couple of screenshots that we have, but there were people who were also complaining that they were seeing the exact same kind of thing where, they went to order, they got the total, and then when they went to go check out, like they were charged more. So yeah, it's definitely something that you want to watch out about. And it's definitely something that if it is happening and you notice it, take screenshots and send it our way, because we would love to see any of the changes that
we actually
you were
this year
supposed to actually pay and what they wanted you to pay or tried to get you to pay.
We need to focus more this year, I think, Chris, on the consumer side of the stories like this. I want to interview more consumers. Do you remember I tweeted one out? There was a lady that says she's using a lot less Uber now. Remember that one? I want to have her on the show. She seems like
I think her name was Alex.
Exactly. And he goes, hi, Uber Eats. I would love a word. I mean, that's going to Philippines. I don't know if you're going to get anywhere there, Charles or James. I would love a word because you guys are currently stealing, not my words, James's words, stealing from your customers in broad daylight. Okay. And This is a class action lawsuit waiting to happen. I mean, look, a lot of drivers throw this word class action lawsuit. Nothing happens, but maybe somebody will listen to you. Maybe you have enough influence. And somebody in the chat said they'll hire him, have him do a couple of commercials, and then get rid of the problem that way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, James, you can.
Well,
you can
either way,
interview.
moral of the story is if you are using Uber Eats on the customer side, then make sure you check out all of the prices. If you see any discrepancies, let us know. Send us screenshots so we can verify all that good stuff too. What they're trying to get on a difference of pay, and we will gladly bring that to everyone's attention.
Yeah, hocus pocus. Hocus pocus everywhere. Rider and driver, and we all get the hocus pocus.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.